These two cards look almost identical and they have very similar names too, but which one should you get? Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also, if you have any interest in starting your own online business and have me guide you through the process, there's another link in the description below. Check it out. So today we've got the American Express Everyday Card and the American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card. They look very, very similar. This is the Everyday, this is the Blue Cash Everyday. They're both see-through cards, which is kind of cool. They have a hologram in the middle. This one's silver and this one is blue. This one also says cash right here in the top right. And this one says absolutely nothing, but it's still called the Everyday Card. So I'm gonna put these two cards right up here on the ledge in case you wanna keep staring at them for some reason. But nonetheless, we're going to do a full comparison of these two cards. And we'll do that by looking at the sign-up bonuses as of December 2020, the earning and redeeming powers of each card, the main benefits, a side-by-side comparison, and help you determine which is best and which one to get for your wallet. The two cards are meant for very different types of people and spending habits. So as we go through this video, you'll be able to see what the big difference really is. Are you ready? Here we go. We'll begin our journey with the Amex Everyday Card. That's the shiny silver one right here. The sign-up bonus as of December 2020 is 10,000 points after you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months of card membership. The approximate value of this is around $200 when you redeem for travel via transfer partners. Now, the first thing to know about this card is that it earns points, and here's how it earns them. You'll earn double points at US supermarkets on up to the first $6,000 of spend per year, then 1 point per dollar beyond that. So if you spend more than $6,000 in groceries in a year, you might want to switch to a different card that earns a higher multiplier on groceries for the remainder of the year beyond 6K spend, but then next year that will reset and you can spend another $6,000 on the card earning double points. Then on all other categories, you'll earn 1 point per dollar. Now, the unique feature of this card is that there is a 20% bonus point opportunity once you use your card 20 times or more in a single billing cycle. And there is no annual fee on this card. When it comes to redeeming those points, there are many ways to do so. Here are just 3 options that are most common that most people will be interested in. Number 1 is travel using transfer partners, meaning you take your Amex membership rewards points and you move them over into an airline program or a hotel program. The average point value here will be around 2 cents per point. You may get more, you may get less, depending on the transfer that you do. So as an example, 10,000 points could be worth around $200. A second redemption option is also for travel, but this time using the portal. That's located at amextravel.com, and the value you get for your points can vary based on how you redeem them. So you can expect to get 0.7 cents per point when you redeem for hotels, car rentals, cruises, and vacations, or 1 cent per point when you redeem for flights. So as an example here, those 10,000 points will be worth $70 or $100. And a third redemption option here is cashback via a statement credit, where you get 0.6 cents per point. Therefore, your 10,000 points will be worth $60. So based on that rundown, I bet you're starting to get a little bit of an idea of how to best use this card, and it's not cashback. Since the best use of your points is oftentimes using those travel transfer partners, here's a current list of them as of December 2020. The airlines are on the left and the hotels are on the right. Sometimes there are transfer bonuses and promotions, but in general, a lot of these transfer 1-to-1. So 10,000 points in the Amex membership rewards program would become 10,000 miles or 10,000 hotel points in the respective program on the other end. For the perks and benefits, you will get a ShopRunner membership, giving you free 2-day shipping and returns at select merchants, as well as access to American Express experiences. That gives you exclusive access to ticket pre-sales and card member-only events in a city near you. You can check out Broadway shows and concert tours, family and sporting events, and much more. Not a bad card for no annual fee. But for those of you who prefer cashback, there is a better alternative, and that has to do with this shiny blue one over here. This one is called the American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card, and the sign-up bonus as of December 2020 is up to $300 of cash back, and here's how that works. You will earn your first $100 of cash back after spending $1,000 in the first 6 months of card membership, and then you're eligible to earn up to another $200 of cash back from your purchases at Amazon.com. Basically, the way this one works is you get 20% back on those Amazon purchases, up to a total of $200 of cash back, and that lasts for your first 6 months as well. Now, as the name of this card suggests, you will earn cash back. And here's the breakdown of the different tiers. First, you'll earn 3% cash back at US supermarkets up to the first $6,000 of spend per year, then 1% beyond that until it restarts again the following year. 2% cash back at US gas stations, 2% back at select US department stores, and 1% back on all other purchases. Again, there is no annual fee on this card. Now, in typical American Express fashion, yes, there are some restrictions. So when it said select department stores, there is an eligible list from which you can earn that 2% back. And here's the list. You will earn additional rewards only for purchases made in the US at the following list of department stores that accept the card and have these specific names. It goes anywhere from Beal's, Belk, Bloomingdale's, all the way down to Nordstrom, Saks Fifth Avenue, Steinmart, etc. So make sure that you are aware of this list. If you shop at these places, it's good to know that they already accept American Express cards and that you will earn 2% back when using this card. So if you do a lot of department store shopping, but not at the places on that list, you might want to consider using a different card for those purchases. For example, the Citi Double Cash card. When you're ready to redeem your cash back, there are a variety of different ways to do so. 3 main ways are cash back via statement credit. If you choose that route, it's basically used to offset your purchases. It goes against your credit card balance. And note that there is a minimum redemption requirement of $25. So if you have $24.99 or less, you won't be able to make your redemption until you hit or surpass 25 bucks. You can also redeem for a variety of different gift cards and select merchandise on Amex's website. Now, of course, the statement credit cashback method here is going to be the most flexible because you can redeem that to offset any type of purchase that you want. But do be aware of those gift cards because sometimes gift cards go on sale. You'll find the same perks and benefits on this card as well, including the Shop Runner membership and the access to American Express experiences. And now it's time for our side-by-side comparison. When looking at the Amex EveryDay Card versus the Blue Cash Everyday Card, neither one has an annual fee, which is fantastic. The sign-up bonus is quite different though. The Everyday Card earns 10,000 points, where the Blue Cash Everyday Card earns up to $300 of cash back. The value here is quite different based on how much you actually spend at Amazon. That'll determine how much you earn on the Blue Cash side. However, the better bonus at the moment is on the Blue Cash Everyday Card. Now let's check out the reward structure. On the Everyday Card, remember you're earning points here. Double at supermarkets, 1 point per dollar and everything else, and then that 20% bonus on all the points earned in a single billing cycle if you use your card to make 20 transactions or more. Then the Blue Cash Everyday Card has a 3-2-1 structure in some broader categories. But there is no 20% bonus on your cashback there. Then when you redeem your rewards, they have the same categories in terms of gift cards, merchandise, and cashback. The better option for that cashback will be the Blue Cash Everyday Card. But if you happen to have the Everyday Card in your wallet, you'll want to redeem those points for travel. Plus you'll get some additional redemption options like the transfer partners that you do not have access to with the Blue Cash Card. For the benefits, they're the same here. Both have Shop Runner benefits and both have access to American Express experiences. And because we're doing 2 cards in one video, I did not want to make this too long, but just know that the protections and the insurance coverages on both of these cards are pretty much the same. I cover those types of smaller details in individual card videos. So which of these 2 cards is best and which one should you get, if any? Let me help you make a right decision. The American Express Everyday Card on the left side of your screen is best for travel. You can redeem by transferring your points to airline and hotel partners or via the Amex Travel portal, which is found at amextravel.com. Then we have the Blue Cash Everyday Card on the right-hand side of your screen, and obviously that one is better for cash back. You want to redeem for statement credits to offset your purchases or potentially gift cards when they have certain sales. Are you still with me? Because now I'm going to go over the #1 mistake to avoid. And that mistake is do not use your points for cash back. Please just don't do that. If you want cash back, get a cashback card. And here's why. Let's compare spending $500 in the double point category on the Everyday Card or the 2% cashback category on the Blue Cash Card. So follow me over to the left-hand side of your screen. Let's say we spend $500 on groceries, which is a double point category on the Everyday Card. You'll get double points times $500 equals 1,000 points earned. Then when you redeem those points, you'll take 1,000 points times the value per point for cash back, which is 0.6 cents each, giving you $6 of cash back. Now follow me to the right side of your screen. Say we spend $500 at select department stores that earn 2% cash back on the Blue Cash Everyday Card. We'll take 2% cash back times the $500 spent equals $10 of cash back. Then when you go to redeem, it's the exact same thing. $10 equals $10 of cash back. So between those two, it's very clear which one is the winner for cash back. It's going to be the Blue Cash Everyday card. Now imagine if we didn't just spend $500, but we spent $1,000 or $5,000 or more over the course of an entire year. You can see how much better the Blue Cash Everyday card is than the Everyday if you want cash back. So which one should you get? Well, get the Everyday card if you spend a lot at supermarkets, do 20 or more transactions per month. That way you'll be eligible for that 20% points bonus every single billing cycle. And if you prefer travel rewards. On the other hand, you want to get the Blue Cash Everyday card if you spend a lot at supermarkets, gas stations, select department stores on that list. I will put a link to that list in the description below in case you'd like to look at it yourself later on. And if you also prefer cashback rewards, that's a much better fit. And to make things as simple as possible, just go by the emojis. Airplane equals everyday, wad of cash equals Blue Cash Everyday. And that is how you win with these two credit cards. If you enjoyed this video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also, check out those links in the description below. I have an Amex referral link where you can choose any American Express card that you have your eye on. It's a referral link, so if you like the value that I put inside these videos, I appreciate it if you use that link to support this channel. The other link down there will help you start your own online business if that interests you, and I will guide you through the process step by step to build that business. And with that said, I'd love to know which of these two cards you like best. Are you on the cashback team or are you on the travel team? Let me know in those comments down below. And for those of you wondering, yes, I'm aware, there is an elevated big brother to both of these cards. There is the Amex Everyday Preferred and the Blue Cash Everyday Preferred, both of which have a $95 annual fee. If you'd like me to do a comparison between those two cards, also tell me in those comments below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I'll see you again in future videos. And until then, remember, you are great.